those dishes, either professionally or just because no one else.
Fuck dishes! You know.
What else I need to do? We're kids building models of a world that we might want to live in. We're sorting feelings in our stomach. Is this liberation or starvation? But have we made it anywhere at all if the dishes are never done? If we can't live without dishwashers, how would we live without cops? And so you're asking me, who does the dishes after the revolution? Well, I do my own dishes now. I'll do my own dishes then. You know it's always the ones who don't who ask that fucking question.